How to fix OPay app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix OPay app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. On your settings, go to General. And after you're on your General, go to iPhone Storage. So head over to iPhone Storage and you'll need to search for OPay app. So simply search for the app. You can always, use the search bar on the top there. I'll just head over here and there we go. After you're here, tap on offload app and then offload the app. We are doing this to clear out the cache from the app itself. So after the offload completes, reinstall the app back in and start using it. That should fix the problem. But if it does not fix the problem, you can always come back here, long press on the app and then remove the app entirely. Tap on delete app and delete the app. Then reinstall the app from the App Store and you're good to go. And that's how you can fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.